Well, unang-una, dapat yung mga basic concepts and principles in all the 4 sciences, no? General science, biology, chemistry, and physics. At saka yung major areas in math. And in reading, comprehension, and language proficiency. Yung basic concepts man lang nun, yung basic principles, dapat ay mastered na ng mga bata. So, it's very important na may na-develop na silang study habits magmula pa nung sila'y first year or even further than that. Dapat, kasi grade school, meron na silang developed study habits. Tapos, they really have to put it in their mind and in their heart that they need to pass. Hindi yung pagbibigyan lang yung magulang dahil lang nadala ng barkada. Kasi kung nandun na yung determination sa kanila, that's one big plus factor. So, ang laking bagay dun sa bata.